Hey, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel where we talk all about how to glow from the inside out. And today I'm sharing with you 2 ways to fix your skin barrier on a budget. That's right. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prioritize the right products and the right ingredients to speed up your healing process without breaking the bank. So today I'm going to show you a core $50 skincare routine that will get your skin barrier healing up and on the road to being strong again. But if you can stretch that budget to $75, I have a couple of add-ons that are going to make the experience a little bit more pleasant. So if you're so ready, give the video a big thumbs up. And hey, if you care about your skin barrier just like I do, hit subscribe and come join our skincare community. I damaged my skin barrier all the way back in 2018, and this is my tried and true method. Trial and error, baby. I've done it. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to. This is why you can trust my advice. I am obsessed with the skin barrier, so if you are as well, hit subscribe. Come join our skincare community. All right, play my intro and let's jump into the budget routines. Step number 1, cleanse with water only. This costs $0. This works for barrier repair because when your skin barrier is compromised, even gentle cleansers can strip your skin of essential hydration and moisture, leaving it feeling tight, stripped, and uncomfortable. So use water only when you're washing your face in the morning. This is genuinely going to be enough to cleanse your face. Now, if you really do feel like there's thick skincare layers from last night or a lot of excessive oil, try using a washcloth with water. Run this gently across your face. Don't scrub. Don't get too aggressive. Gently run it across your face is going to help break up that skincare film or that thick oil on your skin. Now, of course, you can use a cleanser at night, especially if you're wearing sunscreen or makeup. Step 2, barrier serum. Haruharu Black Rice Probiotics Barrier Essence. This retails about $22 to $25. You can often get it for less than that, depending on where you buy it. I have links to lots of different stores where you can buy this in the pinned comment. But this is going to be your hero product. It's the investment. It's the non-negotiable. This is what heals your skin barrier. And it's because this product contains ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids. Now, your skin barrier naturally is made up of these lipids, 50% of ceramides, 25% of fatty acids, 25% of cholesterol naturally. When your skin barrier is weak, the barrier is depleted. It does not have the lipid content that it needs in order to protect your skin. And this is what leads to the dehydration, the irritation, the itchiness, the redness, the stinging and burning sensation on your skin. So when you strengthen up your skin barrier, you are replacing the ceramides, the cholesterol, the fatty acids. You are fortifying that lipid layer in your skin with these essential, crucial ingredients. You need these in your skincare routine in order to heal. Plus, it has some fermented ingredients that help with your skin microbiome, which also helps to take down the inflammation, the stinging, the itchiness, and the redness. And honestly, this product, it might feel like a bit of an investment if you're on a tight budget, but I promise you, this performs just as good, if not better, than like $100 moisturizer. You see these barrier products, they're $50, $80. They're loaded with irritating ingredients, essential oils, fragrances. This has none of that. This is just very soothing, comforting, moisturizing. Now, maybe you can't find Haruharu in your area. I've got a couple alternatives for you for this step. For about $28, you can get Prequel half and half liquid moisturizer. This has a really similar texture to Haruharu, although it does feel a little bit lighter on the skin. Now, Stratia Lipid Gold, this retails for $28, and this is really great if your skin is a little bit on the drier side. This is the product that actually helped me heal my skin barrier back in 2018. And I really do stand by this product. So those are 2 alternative options for you if you can't find Haruharu. Step 3, moisturizer. Cerave Moisturizing Cream. This comes in at about $18 to $20. And this is a pretty big tub here. You get a lot of product for that price. It's going to last you a really long time. And if you do need some help below the chin, this is a face and body cream. So a lot of value here, but I really like this because of the ingredients. ingredients. We've got ceramides, we've got cholesterol, we got fatty acids, baby. We also have dimethicone and petrolatum. These are some of my favorite occlusive ingredients. Occlusives help to create a protective barrier on your skin, like a temporary barrier to help hold in the hydration and also help protect your skin. This is incredibly essential if your skin barrier is weak, because that's what your skin barrier naturally does for you. When it's weak or damaged, it can't protect your skin. It can't hold in the hydration. So why not help your skin out with a moisturizer that has these occlusive ingredients that just give your skin a little bit more protection and comfort? So this is actually a product I also used when I damaged my skin in 2018. It did help me heal. I really stand by it. It can be expensive up front, but like I'm saying, you're getting so much moisturizer, so much value for that price. Step number 4, slugging or sleeping mask. Aquaphor healing ointment, or you can use Vaseline. This comes in $5 to $7. Now, both of these products contain petrolatum at a very high percentage, much higher percentage than what you're finding in the Cerave moisturizing cream. And this ingredient is a very, very good occlusive. It creates that temporary barrier. That's what holds your skincare in place, holds the moisture and the hydration deep within your skin and resists the dehydration, the dryness, the tightness, and the irritation. And when you create that temporary barrier on your skin, you really seal in your skincare. It's going to work for you better. It's going to stick with your skin longer, and it's going to translate to faster healing. And I often find that nighttime is the worst time for dehydration. So you can use this a couple of different ways. You can just apply it to the areas that feel the most dry, tight, and irritated. For me, that's often my chin area. You can apply it all over your face. It can even work on your lips too. If your lips are feeling dry and irritated, you can even mix a bit of this into your moisturizing cream at nighttime. And our $50 core routine, when you add up every step here, we actually end up with a total of $48. So this is definitely on budget, and it is going to give you all of the ingredients and all the products you need to heal that barrier. Moving into the $75 complete routine. If you can stretch your budget a little bit, this routine is going to give you a little bit more comprehensive care and possibly speed up your healing results. We're going to still wash with water in the morning and use a cleanser at nighttime if you need to, using something that you already have. We're going to add in a second step, hydrating toner. This is the Make Prem Safe Me Relief Essence Toner. This comes in about $16. Now, I love a hydrating toner step because when your skin barrier is compromised, one of the biggest symptoms is that dehydrated feeling, that tight, thirsty feeling deep within your skin. And so hydrating toners have this really nice watery texture that dives deep into your skin to replenish the hydration, to soothe that dehydrated, tight feeling and give a lot of relief to your skin. So this really soothes that symptom in a nice, lightweight, watery texture, delivering really soothing, hydrating panthenol that also helps to strengthen your skin barrier. This particular toner also has a little ceramide NP content, and I just find it very gentle, calming, soothing, and deeply hydrating. Now, another tip for you when it comes to budget skincare and healing your barrier on a budget, you don't need lots of different hydrating products to soothe the dehydration. Hydrating toner, essence, serum, you don't need all of this. You need one good product, and do not be afraid to layer that product up onto your skin multiple times. When my skin barrier feels a little bit weak, I'll put my toner on in 2 layers. And when my skin barrier feels really damaged, I might do up to 3 or 4 layers depending on what my skin feels comfortable with. And so do not be afraid to keep going with the layers. That's why this texture is so great. It doesn't build up thick or sticky on your skin, but it puts a lot of control in your hands to help soothe those symptoms without breaking the bank. Step 3, barrier serum, and we're keeping the Haruharu essence. Now, you could upgrade to the Stratia or Prequel recommendations, these alternatives that I talked about earlier in the video. They're not all that much more expensive that they're going to really break this budget routine. But really what I want you to remember here, ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids, you need this type of product in your skincare routine. This is what's going to heal your barrier. So really look for those ingredients. Really honor this step. If you don't have a lot of money to invest in additional products, make sure that you are prioritizing this step. Now for moisturizer, you can keep that Cerave moisturizing cream. If you'd like to upgrade to something different, Illiyoon 80 Ceramide Concentrate Cream is one of my favorites, and it roughly costs the same price as Cerave. Like, I guess I just don't have champagne taste, you guys. This is another great option for healing your skin barrier because it's got the ceramide cholesterol fatty acid content that we look for in our moisturizers. Plus, it has an occlusive factor to it. It also contains some soothing madecassoside, which is a biologically active compound found in centella. So this one has a little bit of a soothing edge to it that calms down the irritation and the itchiness. It's a slightly lighter texture than Cerave as well, so it may not feel as heavy on oilier or more balanced skin types. Now for our slugging or sleeping mask, I'm going to upgrade that Vaseline or Aquaphor into La Roche-Posay Cicaplast B5 Balm. Now, this is such a great occlusive healing ointment. Instead of using petrolatum, they're using 1% of dimethicone, but this is a really great, as I said, occlusive healing ointment that is also relying on some madecassoside to soothe the skin, zinc and magnesium complex that further helps to encourage healing, strengthening, and soothing the skin, all in this slightly more creamy and occlusive ointment-like texture. It brings more moisture into the skin than Vaseline or Aquaphor does. Now, my tips here are going to be the same. You can apply this as a kind of spot treatment anywhere that feels that it needs a little extra protection and care. You can put this as a layer on top of your moisturizer. This is the most moisturizing, most protective option for this particular product, and it functions incredibly well as a sleeping mask to fight dehydration. But because of the soothing elements in here, it actually brings a lot of relief to the skin on contact as well. One of my favorite ways to use this is actually mix a pea-size amount of Cicaplast into my moisturizer. This makes my moisturizer more occlusive, more protective, more soothing, and more moisturizing, but it cuts down a little bit on the thickness of two separate heavy layers. I would also recommend this particular product as a anti-irritation cream. When your barrier is ailing, oftentimes you will need a little bit of relief throughout the day. It's hard to get from your AM routine to your PM routine without feeling like your skin is very, very itchy and irritated. So you can actually apply this cream throughout the day to get a little bit of relief in between your skincare routines. Because remember, washing your face too much, not a great option when you're trying to heal your skin. So this cream can actually function as a temporary boost to get you through into your nighttime routine. And our complete $75 skincare routine comes in at $74, right on the money, baby. You do not need to spend a lot in order to heal your skin barrier. Now that I've talked about all of the great products you can use, I want to tell you about all the things you don't want to use while you're healing that skin barrier. Make sure to avoid actives like retinols, AHAs, BHAs, and vitamin Cs. You want to avoid skincare products with fragrance, essential oils, or drying forms of alcohol. By the way, I got you covered. None of our products today contain any of those ingredients. And you want to stay away from the physical exfoliants and the scrubs. Now, healing may not be a linear process for you, but you should be able to get your barrier back into a strong state in about 4 weeks. By week 1, you should expect less stinging and less tightness. Week 2, you will notice that your skin texture is improving and that there's less redness in your complexion. And by week 4, your barrier should feel restored. On either of these skincare routines, you should expect to heal up your skin barrier in about a month, maybe 6 weeks, depending on how much healing you have to do. So what routine are you going to use to heal up your skin barrier? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, no matter what your budget is, prioritize that Ceramide's cholesterol fatty acid barrier strengthening serum. And everything else is a strategic choice based on your budget. But make sure you prioritize that good serum with those 3 holy trinity ingredients. If this video helped you out, I would be so honored if you would hit subscribe and come join our skincare community, especially if you want want to see some more videos just like this one from me. I love you so much, and no matter if your skin barrier is strong, weak, or damaged, we've all been there. No matter what, I want to remind you to keep shining your bright, beautiful, individual, glowing light. That inner light, shine that out into the world. We need it. We need you. I love you, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.